Hello guys. Welcome to Whatvwant, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a Facebook page on PC. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. Firstly, go to official site of Facebook, and log in to your Facebook account. Click on the menu icon available at the right top. Then a drop-down menu will open with shortcuts. Under the Create section, you will find various options. Choose Page by clicking on it. Then it takes you to the page from where you can create a Facebook page. Provide the name for the page in the first column available at the left side. Next, enter the category of the page in the second column. It shows you suggestions once you start typing in the column. You can also add description if needed. And later, click on Create Page. Then the page will be created and allows you to set up the page. Scroll a bit down and there you will find options to upload profile and cover photo for the page. Make sure to turn on the notifications option to get notified updates of your page to your Facebook profile. Later, click on Save. That's it, Facebook page has been created and you will be redirected to the main interface of the Facebook page. Hope you liked this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.